Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. So the first step, you need to click on these dots, Google Apps, scroll down and click on Google Sheet. So once you are on the Google Sheet, so I'm going to select to-do list, select that and wait for a few seconds. Okay, now it is open, and after completing your work you simply need to click on share, and here you can see now it is restricted. Click here, click on anyone with the link, copy link. Now I'm going to share that with my friends. So I am opening WhatsApp and click on my friend name, click here, share, paste and share. Now my friend can easily access from this link. So this is the process that you need to follow to share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.